Amazon Prime movie subscription. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can get the Amazon Prime movie subscription, so make sure to watch the video till the end. To get Amazon Prime movie subscription, you can just try to open your browser and go to a new tab and then just go to primevideo.com. That's right. Once you go to primevideo.com here, if you already have a free Amazon account, that's perfectly fine. Otherwise, you can just go ahead and then tap the profile icon here. You can see I'm already logged in, but if I go to account and settings, I currently don't have an active subscription. So what I need to do is first I need to make sure to have a subscription. For that, if you're on this page, just go ahead and sign into your account already. So let me also just go ahead and sign into my account, and after I do that, it will verify the details and it will take me to the page where I can simply confirm. So you're right here, you can see your membership, you don't have the subscription to Prime Video. So now you can tap the sign up option here, and once you tap sign up, just make sure to enter your payment details by tapping on continue, and after that you will be able to successfully start your 30-day free trial and get the Amazon Prime movie subscription. This way you will be able to get Amazon Prime movie subscription. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.